IW Health clinical dietitian Michelle Swader is back with us. FDA changes in food labeling and ingredients is the topic of this month's health segment.
Thanks. Yeah, there's been a couple updates with the FDA regulations just in December and January. So there's two big ones that I think customers should be looking out for. First of all, the FDA has now banned red dye number 3. So this is an additive that was in candies, cereal, even some medications, just to give it that bright red color. It has been banned in other countries as well, so we're not the first ones to do this. The reason is that it has been found just lately to have a little bit of rodent studies where there's some cancer causing. And it is an FDA regulation that no food additive can be carcinogenic to animals or humans. So now that's banned. You do have a couple of years before that has to be fully out of the food market. So if you're concerned about it, you can just read your label and watch out for that red dye number 3. The next one you might see a little bit sooner. That's a change that they're making on the healthy food claim. So that's it. There's an icon that you can put on the front of your packaging if you meet their requirements. The things that's going to be changing this year is that they used to put limits on total fat, saturated fat, cholesterol, and sodium. However, this rule hasn't been updated in about 30 years. So what they've done is they've tried to update with what we know about now as watching added sugar, wanting more healthy fat. So now they've taken away the total fat and the cholesterol, and they've added extra sugar or added sugar. So what that means as you're shopping is that some of the foods that might have carried this healthy food label, like breakfast cereal, yogurt, white bread, because they were low fat, now don't get to have that advertisement on the front of the package. Some of the things that hadn't been able to be touted as healthy, like nuts and seeds, olive oil, now because of their healthy fat content and not having added sugars, they're going to be able to have that claim. So again, this is going to take a few years to fully get implemented, but obviously food companies that have things with healthy fat and they're not putting a lot of sugar, you're going to see them try to put that in as soon as possible.
All right. Well, Michelle, thank you very much.
Thank
we appreciate you joining us today.